Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Reuben!
From Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the best stuff from the Germania Mint,
Yes.
all the way over in Poland.
That's it.
What do you reckon? Copper bars?
I mean, there's a chance, but I was lifting these ones up onto the table here before.
They're a bit too light.
They're a little bit too light for that. But you know, maybe they've invented some kind of technology to transport things a lot lighter than they are.
Filled the box with helium.
That's it. That's a good trick. We should try it.
That's right. We have enough trouble getting things through customs as it is without adding to the complications.
Yeah, look, you're probably right. But these ones have made it through customs. We've got these in hand now, which is good. These being, I believe, if I'm right, the 1 ounce gold cast bars.
I've been looking forward to getting our hot little hands on these for a while.
Agreed.
Oh, I'm going to put peanuts all over the studio. Sorry, Rube.
That's all right. Clean them up. For a good unboxing, you know, some mess will be made.
All for a good cause, you reckon?
That's it, I reckon.
Man, looks easy to unbox these things, but I tell you, getting it right, not damaging product.
I was going to say, these, as I say every time, these ones are always a bit of an outlier because they do such a good job packaging them.
Yeah,
You've kind of got to get through multiple... it's in a safe bag, there you go. Yeah.
Not that safe, I can cut it open with a knife.
Not safe from you, yeah.
That's right.
There's safe and then there's Michael's safe. Ooh, there we go. Fresh box, fresh sticker.
I do love their packaging. No one does it better than Germania.
They do a good job, for sure.
It's almost a crime cutting into it.
It's all right. We'll keep. I think that one's also the same thing. So we'll keep one of them all sealed up.
Oh wow!
There we go.
They're a cast bar inside a minted package.
Why not?
I love it.
Why not the best of both worlds? You can get
That is beautiful.
the kind of design and presentation of a minted bar with the.
They've still got their holographic
they've still
sticker
got
on the
the
back.
holo on it. Very nice.
I love it, and it's still got, by the feel of that, still got the whoosh. We've really got to come up with a technical term for the whoosh.
You came up with one, and I was the one saying whoosh, and you're like, no, stop that. We need to start calling it this, and now you've forgotten it as well.
Protective sticker layer.
That's it.
It's just like when you get a new mobile phone or computer or something, it's got that. Wasn't there an episode on Friends where they make a big deal of that? No, it's
Seinfeld or something?
No. You know, the 4 super intelligent people, unlike me.
Big Bang Theory.
Big Bang Theory. Thank you. Everyone in the comments is going, "Yeah, good on you." These are stunning. As we come to expect from Germania Mint, they just don't do dodgy quality. So these are great. It's got a bit of a burst on it, so weight, purity, that type of thing in the corner, in the edge there.
Yep.
Signed off by the certifier. Look, they're coming in from Poland. They're going to be slightly dearer than the Perth Mint. That's a fact of life. You're paying for a premium product, but what a premium product it is. And I know we all say, gold is gold. And look, I'm the biggest fan of that, but this is gold. Alrighty, so they are in stock. We should be able to get them in semi-regularly. I'm not going to say they're always going to be on our shelves, but they'll always be kind of ticking through at some point, I'd suggest, or for the next few months anyway.
We'll gauge the reception to them, you know, see what people think.
Absolutely. So that is in stock now. Click on the link that's somewhere around me, probably down below as well, and grab them while you can, while they're in stock. Like I said, I think we'll keep them trickling through, but yeah, good time to buy them is now, always.